Get ready with me, focus on me. It's like 6 in the morning. Just kidding, it's like 9. Everybody's asleep in my house. Just kidding. Almost everybody's awake in my house. What are you gonna believe? Wow, hey guys, what's up? It's me. I did my eyebrows already. I'm doing a get ready with me because whatever. Putting on the Dermalogica barrier repair. It's almost like a mattifier. Didn't really want to do matte today, but you know what? My little tester was open, so why not? Hey guys, what's up? My skin looks awful. I've got all of these breakouts everywhere. Don't know what to do about it. Gonna get a facial later today, so super excited about that. I'm wearing my work pants right now because I have to go to work in like 20 minutes. Better text my mom, let her know I have to leave soon because I sold my car, so I don't have a car now. My mom has to take me to work. It's cool. Guess what, you guys? I got a pop socket. It's super cute. It has my puppy on it. Look it, he's so cute. I also have this super fun phone case. Watch it, like, rains glitter. There's my dog. He's sleeping behind me. My little angel. I was gonna do my Becca foundation today. I have it in a little tester because your girl's broke and doesn't want to go buy more foundation. Just gonna dot this stuff all over my face. This is technically like an ultimate coverage foundation. I haven't worn it in a couple weeks, so I can't remember. Whatever happens, happens. I am the lightest color. Hopefully it dries down how I like it to. Because usually when you first put it on wet, it looks really, it doesn't look like your color, but then you have to like let it set and dry for a little bit. Oh yeah, so I usually start with my eyes, but apparently that isn't happening today. Because this is what happens with Get Ready With Me, is I get really distracted from just like talking. Alright friends, so as soon as you look nice and pale and ghosty, then you go in with a not so pale color. This is the Anastasia foundation stick, and the foundation stick is in the color Shadow. Contour our face with this. We're going to start out with the cheekbone. At this point, I really like taking a Mario Badescu spray, making sure I'm nice and dewy. I usually don't use a sponge for this, but gonna use a sponge for this. Do I like how that looks? Not really. Is this the most painful thing I've ever done? Sold my car this week. Don't have a car. It makes it really difficult when I want to go out and do stuff and be places. But you know what? That's what my mom is here for. She's gonna take care of your girl. Take her to work. Your girl is me. I literally hate blending out cream contour with a sponge. I hate it. It's just not the same. I'm already creasing, which is awesome. I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer. This concealer is basically exactly like the Tarte Shape Tape. I still like the Shape Tape better. This one kind of has like a funky smell to it. It's not my favorite. We're gonna conceal all of our blemishes because we have so many blemishes all over our face. This is the part called Get Foundation in Your Eye. Decided to finish my face and stop talking. I'm not done with my face yet. And now I'm moving on to the eyes. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette, which I don't support Jaclyn Hill, but her palette is just like thebomb.com. What do? You buy the palette and complain about it. That's what you do. That's what I did anyway. I'm using like the same blending brush for everything because I'm dirty like that. Definitely need to get some more Morphe brushes because I love my Morphe brushes. I seriously just like, I die without them. They're my babies. Oh my god, what dude, I don't even know what to talk about in these videos, like, especially when there's not a whole lot going on in my life. Let's see what's going on. Oh, I started my new job doing facials. It's been okay so far. I've given 2 microderms, and then I have like a bunch of facials I have to do on like models and stuff, so I have to do microderms and chemical peels for those. Really nervous about the chemical peel. Haven't read the protocol whatsoever. I'm finishing my training at work today. Yes, I've been training for over a week now, and it's just a little bit ridiculous, but you know what? It's fine. So last time we talked, I was supposed to be moving into an apartment this week, and that fell through. So still in my parents' house, probably going to be in my parents' house for the next couple months because I'm taking on a car payment. You know, because I just sold my car. I'm trying to get into a Subaru because that would just be so much less stress, because I've had the crappiest cars ever since I first started driving. Legit, like, all of my family members have the nice cars, and then I always have the ones that like could break down. We'll see how it goes, but I'm the one that like goes everywhere and does everything all the time, so that doesn't seem very fair that I always get the crappy car. But you know what, now I get to pay to have a nice car, and I get to pay to do whatever I want with it. So oh god, I went in with the same brush again. Nice, Kel, way to go. So super excited about my new car. I have to go test drive some at some point this week or weekend. If I want to get a car, then I better hurry up and go do that. But I have a pretty full work schedule this week. Should I cut my crease? Should I cut my crease? Yeah. Totally decided that I hate this foundation. It's not setting down at all. Like, it's so tacky. It comes off my fingertips like every 5 seconds. Do you guys see my forehead? How gross is that? I want to apologize because in some of my videos I'm like super loud and excited and stuff, and then in other videos I talk like this, where it's like, you know, just like mediumly quiet, kind of half whisper, half not. And that's because I live with my family, and I really don't like it when they hear me. I was looking at some of my videos from a couple years ago. I was watching them and I was like, oh my god, I sound so happy, I'm so loud, like I'm having so much fun, what the heck, like where is this Kelly? And then I started thinking about it, and I was like, oh my god, I basically was at my house alone all the time because my mom wasn't at the house and my brother wasn't at the house all the time. Family would be at work and school. I wouldn't be because I was a senior and I barely went to classes, and I would just sit at home until like about 11 and do my makeup, and nobody was home, and it was nice. And now my family is home all the time, and I love them to death. They're so supportive and awesome and stuff, but like I like having my own space, and I like being able to create without having to worry about someone like hearing me. So typically in my videos, that's why I choose not to talk, even though I would rather talk, but I just choose not to because there are people home. You know what, we're gonna bronze up the face just a little bit more. So I have like 3 bronzers on my face, and they're turning out really muddy, which is just exactly what I wanted. This side of my face is so streaky because that stupid stuff didn't set down. Alrighty, we're gonna take a really fun orangey blush from Anastasia. It's gonna be this one right here. I just made the wrong face for that. I don't do this very often, but I'm gonna do my summer highlight from my glow kit from Anastasia. And you know what we're gonna do? So we're actually gonna dewy set our face like definitely not my favorite look. Bad Gal Bang mascara. Love this mascara. Oh my gosh. You guys, I just realized I never talk about my boyfriend. That's not something that I particularly love to talk about on my channel just because, you know, boys come and go, but this one is staying forever. I'm gonna keep him until I die. I'm so excited about him. He's so cute. Oh my god. I'm sure he'll make it into one of my vlogs one of these days. I vlogged about my couch the other day, and I didn't put him in the video because I was like super nervous. nervous, I guess. You know me, I'm nervous to have anybody in my videos in general, like even my mom, but he's really, really cool with my filming schedule, and he's super cool just like about life and just everything in general. He's my dream guy. Oh my god. He's so pretty, and looks aren't everything, but literally he's so beautiful. I can't even. He treats me really nice. He takes me out on dates. He always buys me food. I met him on Tinder. Tinder is not that scary if you do it right, and I did it right because we've been dating for almost 6 months now, and he's just like amazing. I could talk about him for literally hours. He's so cute. But yeah, hopefully I'll do like a meet and greet video with him at some point. I'm sure it'll happen. It just hasn't yet because of my own issues, not issues with him per se. Just my own problem with filming with other people. It makes me so nervous. Alright friends, this is the Ico Brow Gel. I'm hoping that all of my lipsticks are at work because I can't find any of the ones that I like. Okay, I'm taking the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Ashton. This is probably like a rip-off one because I got it from like Marshall's or something, TJ Maxx, one of those things, and it dries down really weird. Okay guys, so this is my finished product of my face. I hope you enjoyed watching. I don't know how this video is going to turn out because I literally talked about like nothing. So super awesome. Life is good. Everything is great. I am fine. I have to get going because I have to go to work because I have a job, so it's super fun. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!